Now we will see how you can create a new company in MYOB. And for this, we will be starting our new assignment, that is Zen Traders 2020. And this assignment can be found with the link of this video. So you can just go to the resources and download this file. Let me just open it. So this is my company Zen Traders. So if I want to create a new company in MYOB, then I'll click on create, click on next. Now in this company, the scenario is that Zen Traders is a company which deals in car parts, means they buy and sell car parts. So this is a simple trading business which has a pretty simple inventory. They just buy the item from one party and sell to the other. That means the inventory is not very complex. They are not manufacturing anything. So the scenario is that the company might exist like for 10 years, but now they are planning to shift from manual accounts or from Excel to a proper accounting software, that is MYOB. So obviously they cannot shift all the balances. What they will do is they will manually close the last year as a closing trial balance and then import that opening trial balance on the software as of 1st of January 2020. So for that, we will need all of these ledgers that exist in our assignment should exist in MYOB also. And after that, we can place all our opening balances in that particular ledgers. So let's create a new company now. I can see this screen. Now we don't have the serial number, so it is also mentioned that your serial number is located on the registration and on the back of it, not required for the trial version. So we are using the trial version. Now company name is Zen Traders. It has the asterisk, so that means this is a compulsory field to be entered. So only this is the required field. All of the other fields can be filled later on. Click next. Now current financial year is 2020. You can select when your financial year ends. So normally in Pakistan and India, it's July to June, and in the other countries, it's January to December. So let's select December. Conversion month means when you choose to enter all the transactions in MYOB, that means transfer of closing balance to the opening balance. So obviously that is January, because we will be entering all of the opening balances as of 1st January after the close of last year. So next is most of the companies use 12 accounting periods for the reporting purposes and recording adjustment. Would you prefer 12? Yes. I'll select 12. Now click on next. Now it will show you the summary which options you have already selected in the previous wizard. Click next. Now the next option is the accounts list. Every company files requires an account list. That means list of ledgers or chart of accounts. You may either select one of ours, that means MYOB automatically provides some of the chart of accounts created by default, or you can use your own. How would you like to build your chart of accounts? So there are multiple options to choose from. Select the option that most fits your needs. I would like to start with one of the lists provided. I would like to import a list of accounts provided by my accountant. I would like to build my own account list. So for now, I will click on, I would like to start with the one of the list provided. That is the most convenient option, because what it does, it will create a list of chart of accounts that is commonly used for all the businesses. For example, all the journal sales, advertising expenses, salaries, all the ledgers will automatically be created. Just we have to put the opening balances for it. So click on next. Now it will also ask you for the industry so that it can create the most accurate chart of accounts for your particular business. So in the industry classification, I have multiple options: agriculture, manufacturing, retail, service, other, and all. I'll choose other so that I can get a generic kind of chart of accounts which is not specific to any industry but is related to every kind of business. So I can get the most useful chart of accounts. Similarly, the type of business I'll be selecting is I have choice partnership, retail business, service, sole proprietorship. So this is a sole proprietorship business. I'll use this business type. Click on next. Now the location is C Premier 19 xantradeus.myo. This is the live company location where the company file will be created. Click on next. Now it will start creating the company. Now the company file has been created. I have the option for setup assistant, which will guide you to set up initially what adjustments or settings are required for the software, or otherwise I'll go directly in command center because we will be following our own steps. So I'll directly click on command center. So after you click on command center, you will see this main interface of the company or software. So just follow these steps and create the company and come until this point, and then we will see afterwards how we can do the rest of the working on this company.